There is 3 things you must avoid when washing your hair to have healthier hair and scalp. Number 1. Scrubbing too hard. It might feel like you're getting a deep clean, but in reality it's damaging the hair and scalp. It can create irritation and breakage through the hair. Instead, gentle massage your scalp with your fingertips to stimulate circulation without harming your hair and scalp. Number 2. Using super hot water. Oh, don't tell me. I know, it feels amazing, but it's not gonna clean your hair any better. Instead, it's gonna strip all the natural oils from the scalp and hair, and it might leave your hair more dry and your scalp more irritated. So ideally, lukewarm water, it will maintain the moisture in your hair and it's gonna clean your hair more than enough. And number 3, using the wrong shampoo can do more harm than good. Choosing the right shampoo for your specific type of hair or scalp, it will make all the difference. For example, if you have a fine hair, choose a shampoo designed for fine hair. Or if you have scalp issues such as dandruff, then a specific shampoo designed for dandruff, it will make all the difference to keep your scalp and hair healthy.